Hello, and in today's channeling message, as today is Monday, so we'll deep dive into the life purpose energy. So, if you are on the track of expanding your life purpose energy, you may be experiencing some blocks, or maybe you are just seeking some guidance so that you get some divine support, so that you just do that part and you get your abundance get open. So today I have taken the deck, the gateway oracle cards. This card, is a beautiful card. It's not only for the life purpose. You can always use this card like whenever you feel like you are stuck and you don't understand what is the way to get over that stuckness and move forward. So in that case, you can go ahead and seek your divine guidance through these decks, because one truth I wanted always to share with you. I am a Akashic record reader. So one information, and most of you are also aware, may also be aware of it. You are always supported by your angels and spirit guides by you. Okay, they are always with you, so that they bring in that information from divine to support your journey and make your journey hassle free, or make your journey easy. Okay, all, and it is already provided by God. God has actually deployed individual. It is not like like shared, like your angels and your spirit guides are shared by someone else. No, you have your individual team of spirit guides. It's not even one. Okay, you will always have a team of spirit guides. All that you have to do is start making choices to move forward. Even if today you don't have anything, maybe you are struggling financially, you still can manifest your money being by taking the guidance from universe, by taking guidance from your angels or spirit guides, or you just take a guidance from your angels. I want to have my perfect channeled readings today, and then some video will pop up. There are so many free channeled readings available, right? So some messages will come across your consciousness, and you need to believe that that message is occurring in your consciousness. Or maybe if you are here on this video, so this message is occurring in your consciousness, because universe wants to pass on this message to you, so that you take this information and work through the current block that is stopping you to move forward. So on the life purpose, wherever you are at, you just have to make a choice to move forward and expand, so that you attract more love and more abundance into it, and then you will flow through nicely. So today we'll shuffle the card. I'm just shuffling it, and the first question is, what is the message to overcome the stuckness? Oh my god, what is this? So the card that has come is like receiving from angels. Wow, maybe that is how God first give the message before, and the card is actually a confirmation that yes, all that you have to do is receive from your angels. Because with the current state of mind, your mind can only have information on the thing that you have already done. Like when you have already executed something, then that is stored in your mind. It is just for memories. For new ideas, what you can do new, what are maybe there are two different options, or maybe four different options available, and you are not able to decide which one is going to give you the best. So those things cannot be done by your mind. In all those situations, your mind will go into the state of confusion. So in all those situations, it is always good that you seek help from your intuitive mind, and you invite your angels to guide you perfectly, because they only know what is divinely supported for your expansion. And God wants you to expand only, God wants you to be successful only, God wants you to have your abundance only. That is the promise of divinity. Okay. Shimmering wings of angels, embrace me with love. Wow. So the message is, blessings from above are showering over your life. Angels are real and their presence is near. They are only a thought away. Messengers from the Creator, they come to you with immense blessings and love. All is well. Spread your wings and soar. The universe wants you to know, angels are watching over you. They love you deeply and profoundly. Be still and open your heart to their wisdom and healing. They will come to you in soft breezes, rainbows, feathers that seem to magically appear. These signs let you know that you are going in the right direction and that all is unfolding exactly as it should be. The angelic energy within you is expanding. Know that you are an angelic healing force for others. Beautiful. Wherever you are, you are a healer, or maybe you are having your own business in any area. You don't have to judge that you have to what you are doing. Whatever you are doing is perfect. All that you have to do is expand. How you can expand, grow more. And in all that situation, your angels only can guide you the perfect way. Okay, the growth is true. You just have to love yourself, absolutely love yourself, and watch for the communication that your angels are bringing. And this is a very beautiful communication. The angelic energy within you is expanding. Know that you are an angelic healing force for others. How is it true that you are also healing others by healing yourself? Like the moment you are stuck in your business and you are not able to do anything, people may be falling into the trap. Look how this is not working, we told this is not going to work. Okay, rather than you getting trapped into that bullshit thought, you take the help of God. God is going to help you. God is not there like you are trapped, you are stuck and sitting there and clapping for your destruction. No, God doesn't do that. So seek your angelic help, it will flow to you. Even if you feel like there are 100 ways those are closed, there will still when you connect with your angels or connect with God, you will able to receive that one gate that you give you your abundance. Absolutely. So first believe that you deserve support from God, and you want your abundance, and just seek for the help to see that one gate so that you flow into it. And be clear, be very 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 clear what you want from your angels, because you have to clearly openly communicate what you desire. If you have like the belief of victimhood, and then you don't believe that you deserve money, and then you will be like, just give me some money. No. If you are literally desiring like a million or lakhs or a crore, it's okay to ask, and it is okay if you don't manifest that in a day, but when you are asking, you are attracting all the support to manifest it. So keep taking the support from your angels. They are near you, they will communicate with you through anything, through feathers, through rainbow. Something will happen to you, and at that moment you will feel very peaceful, and that feeling will come within you. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, now I'll go forward from here. So all the positive positive vibrations are there, which are supportive, that some breakthrough is going to happen on your life purpose journey. So just keep choosing, keep moving forward. Thank you.